Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have a life-changing product to show you. I have talked about this product before. It really is, it changes your life. This is LUME. LUME is a deodorant, and it comes in many different forms, and it is for men and women, and it is incredible. It's incredible. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Blue is trying to come over. Shannon Klingman, a doctor, is the inventor of LUME. And as an OBGYN resident, she noticed time and time again women came to the doctor with complaints about odor below the belts. I saw how body odor, whatever the source, was undermining the confidence and self-worth of women everywhere. So that, for the better part of 10 years, as she was learning and becoming a doctor, she saw that happening. So she said, I was able to prove that through clinical testing, that the real culprit of most body odor is actually the bacteria on the skin digesting bodily fluids. The same reaction in our underarms happens everywhere on the body. You know, your underarms, under the girls, tummy folds, thigh creases, your bottom, your feet, the bottom of your feet. So bacteria is bacteria, and what she created will stop the bacteria from growing. That's what keeps you from stinking. So it's really wonderful stuff. So it says LUME blocks bacteria from digesting fluids on your skin, like sweat, well, you know, all the different liquids that we have in our body, blood, urine, things like that, okay? So it prevents body odor from happening in the first place, anywhere on your body. So it says what started as a quest to solve feminine odor has become an opportunity to give you, along with people everywhere, the confidence to live your best life free from body odor and self-doubt. Now, men can use this as well. So don't be embarrassed or ashamed if you're a man and you want to use this. This is not anything that only women can use. It was created by a woman, and it was created to begin with, to start with, for women, but men can use it as well. It is all natural products. There's, let me tell you some of this. LUME stops odor before it starts. And it's LUME is clinically proven to block body odor all day and continues controlling body odor for 72 hours. Now, 72 hours, that's a long time. I have not tested it that long, okay? So, but I have tested it for more than a day when I've, you know, when I've been sick. I'm off the next day and I don't feel like getting a shower or something. So, you know, sometimes it happens. But it says LUME never uses baking soda, aluminum. Aluminum is very dangerous, they say, from deodorants or antiperspirants, I think is what aluminum is in. There's no parabens, no phthalates, and no SLS. I'm not quite sure what that is. And there is a money-back guarantee. And I have a discount code, which I'll put below. And what it will get you is $5 off when you buy. And what it also will do is give me $5. Now, a few of y'all signed up under me the last time I showed this, a few months back. And they gave me $5 coupons, but I can't use them collectively. I can only use one $5 at a time, but that's fine, because this is something that I hope to be able to get for the rest of my life, really. It is, initially, you may think it's expensive, but it lasts a long time. So let me just show you real quickly, for example, this is one kit. This was, let me show it to you. I got a package of wipes. These are 15 acidified deodorant wipes. There's 15 wipes in here. So a nice travel pack. See, what you do is you go and you can buy individual things, but you can pick groupings. You save a little money if you pick a grouping. So in this particular grouping, I got to choose this. And then I also chose this is a mini body wash, and this is in toasted coconut. So this is great for traveling. And also I got a cream deodorant tube in unscented. I've used this before, and this is when I first bought LUME, I started with the unscented, and this is the cream, and it's fantastic. And then I also got in this bundle a whole body deodorant. That's what they all say. Sorry, this one is a what they call this deodorant. Oops, sorry, deodorant stick. This is a deodorant stick, okay? So this is valued at $14.99. This is valued at $19.99. These are minis, so they don't have a value on them, but they're saying that this package is a $35 package. I got my $5 off. Okay, little one. She's showing your bum. You can put this on your bum. So that's what I paid for this pack. Okay, so I got it for $30 because I got $5 off. I do want to show you, they do have other products as well. Camille, don't keep coming through, love. This is what I'm using right now. I used when I got the deodorant stick, I thought I was getting this. It's, you know, the stick that you're used to getting when you get a stick, because that's what I always used. So that's what I liked and that's what I wanted. This one is in clean tangerine. It smells so good, so good. But what I got in my first package was one of these style. I had gotten the invisible, the unscented. This is, when you open it, it's a cream. And you'll pull this, and there's 3 little dots, and you'll turn it up like you do the solid, but it's a cream. And I was very disappointed when I got that because I thought I was getting a solid. Well, y'all, I'm telling you, that cream was fantastic. So I put it up, came out, you know, put it under my arms. And then what I did, because it was lotion instead of a solid, I went like this, and then I had some extra on my hands, and I put them under the girls. So I didn't waste a bit of it. And this is that original. And so this is how it looks. And I broke this thing all apart because I wanted every little speck out of here. And Camille's right in my way. Hang on. I took this all apart because I wanted to get every last bit out of it, and it was completely empty. It was like a suction. So it really is, you don't waste anything. And with the tube, I cut my tube and used every bit of it, I'm using this one right now. It comes in several different scents. This is lavender sage, very nice. I'm using that one right now, along with, I did tell you already, the clean tangerine. We have unscented. There is minted cucumber. I haven't tried this one yet. There is the toasted coconut, which is fantastic. This is the body wash. These scents can be found in each product. So I have, this was another set that I got, came with a bar of soap, and I wanted to try the soap. So I have the lavender sage in the soap. And then also, when you're checking out, they ask you if you'd like a mystery item for $5. So I did get that with my different orders. And one time I got a very nice size item like this, which is not quite trial size. This is more of a trial size. And then this time I got a bar of soap, and I ended up with 2. So I don't know if they meant to send me 2 or just 1, but this is Peony Rose, and it smells really, really good and sweet. It's not really strong flowery. It's not really strong rose. But anyway, there's different scents you can try, and also the unscented. So then you can wear your own perfume or whatever you like to wear. So I just wanted to tell you all about this because I did tell you before, it is something that people don't like to talk about, body odor. I mean, come on, who likes to talk about that? But this is an incredible product. You take the cream, you just use like a pea size, and you can put it anywhere. You know, maybe rub it in your fingers, like I said, under the girls, under your arms. If you have folds, I'm a big person, so we might have some belly folds, and, you know, between your thighs, if your thighs rub, you know, you can put this on your private parts too, and your bum, like I said, and the bottom of your feet. So if you're a person that has sweaty, smelly feet, some people do and some people don't, it will help you with that. So it's really an incredible product, and I just wanted to show it to you again because I haven't in a while, and I recently got an order, and I haven't tried the soap yet, so this is going to go right in my shower. You know, I love my sponge gel, and I'll continue to use that, but I do use other things while I'm using the sponge gel because we get so many things. I use different kinds of cleansers, and body washes and things like that. So I'm going to try the toasted coconut and the peony soap. I'm going to put that in my shower. Let's see what, I heard the toasted coconut smelled really good. Let's open it and see, because I haven't tried it yet. Oh my goodness. Yes, it smells delicious. It smells like toasted coconut. So y'all, wonderful product. If you have any questions, if you're embarrassed, you can send me a private message. I'm on Instagram. Mary Catherine Loves Cats on Instagram, marycatherinelovescats@yahoo.com if you want to send me an email. I'm happy to answer any questions. You can use this anywhere. Men, women. If you have a teenager, great way to start, because, you know, teenagers in sports, they can get pretty darn stinky. So let them use something like this. And just don't get carried away. Just don't overuse it. I think we all have a tendency to use too much. So use what the directions say, which is like a pea-size amount, and then put it on. You don't have to use half a tube, you know. This will last you a very long time if you use it properly. So thanks y'all for stopping by. And again, I'll have my link below, and you'll get $5 off if you order it. So thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.